Hello and welcome everyone. First I'm showing you all the colors that I'm gonna use in this painting and the brands as well. They're also listed down in the description. I'm using most of my favorite colors in this painting because I'm going for like an underwater galaxy space theme. I'm using the gold, of course, the purple, the pink, and then I have the Prussian blue, the white, the deep turquoise, and the metallic turquoise, which is always my favorite. Also a pearlescent turquoise, a spacey blue, and a yellow. Then I get my silicone and add it to the paint. I'm adding 1 to 2 drops in all the metallics, then I'm adding 3 drops in every other paint. The pearlescent one is the same as the metallic, only gets 2 drops. Make sure you stir the paints well when you add the silicone, because you want the silicone to reach the bottom as well, because otherwise you get big blobs of silicone in your painting, or like really weird colonies of little cells or something like that. Just mix it really well in there. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you want. I'm setting the white aside because it's a bit too thick. I stirred it and I noticed it was thicker than it normally is, so I'm gonna add some water to it. It's not the best option. You want to add water until it's the perfect consistency before you add the silicone, but I don't want it to be too thick, so I'm adding it now. This is the order I will pour into the dirty cup. I will have multiple cups, but all will have the same order. First I spray my cups with silicone spray away from the canvas, because you don't want the silicone on the canvas. Then I'll get a paper towel, so I make sure that it's spread out evenly in the cup, so that you don't have too much silicone in there and it's all nice and smooth in there. Then I start pouring in different paints in the same order as I showed you in the beginning of the video. Here I decided also to add a 4th cup. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I think I had enough paint in the 3 cups, but anyway, I did it. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I flip the cups, I make room around the painting so I can tilt. I put on my gloves while waiting for the paint to release in the cups. I have baking paper on these paintings most of the times, because I save the run-offs for jewelry I make later on, so I let the paint that runs off dry on the baking paper. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. There's the little eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a minute. I had some trouble with the burner, but it made for a great time lapse, as you saw. Some beautiful cells popped up and I'm loving it. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. As you can see, there's a lot of movement in the painting. There's too much paint on there, that's why it all gets wobbly and the lines aren't going straight. So I should have gone for the 3 cups. I still loved it though. I think the colors are beautiful, it looks amazing. Unfortunately the painting wasn't level when it dried. The canvas got a bit crooked, the wood was just like misforming, so sadly most of the painting just fell off, so I had to start over again. The The cells are gorgeous. I love how the pearlescent turquoise reacted with the blue. It made for a beautiful painting. Sadly, it got destroyed.
Sweet as hell, baby. You're a sugar rush. I knew you were giving temptation, was craving. You love it.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope it helped somehow. Maybe it made you think about how much paint you use on your canvas. Maybe it's not enough, maybe it's too much. Just try and experiment. As you see, some paintings fail, especially when they need to dry. After drying, you never know what you get. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Sometimes you can fix it with varnish gloss, and sometimes you just have to paint it over. Thanks again, and please leave a like and subscribe. It's much appreciated.